Today we're going to explore one of Spain's most popular region, Costa Blanca. Whether you're into sun, sand, history or golf, Costa Blanca has something for everyone. Let's get started and discover why this beautiful spot on the Mediterranean should be at the top of your travel list. So where exactly is Costa Blanca? It's located in southern East Spain in the province of Alicante, stretching across about 200 kilometers of Mediterranean coastline. This region is known for its near-perfect weather with more than 300 days of sunshine a year. The name Costa Blanca, which means the white coast, was first used in the 1950s, perfectly capturing the region's bright, beautiful landscapes. When it comes to beaches and nature, Costa Blanca is second to none. Some of the best beaches include Playa de San Juan in Alicante, a long golden beach that's perfect for families and water sport lovers. Cala del Moray, a hidden cove with crystal clear water, definitely one of the best kept secrets of Costa Blanca. Granadella Beach, small but stunning and perfect for snorkeling. Beaches in La Mata, located near Torrevieja, La Mata offers long, peaceful beaches with crystal clear water, perfect for unwinding. And for those who enjoy hiking, don't miss Peñón de Ifac in Calpe. It's a massive rock that offers one of the best views in the entire region. The climb is tough, but totally worth it. Costa Blanca is full of amazing places to visit. Here are some of the top spots you can't miss. Alicante, a vibrant city with a beautiful marina, charming old town, and Santa Barbara Castle offering panoramic views of the entire region. Benidorm, known for its skyscrapers, golden beaches, and a bustling nightlife, often compared to Miami. Javea and Denia. These coastal towns are perfect for nature lovers with stunning beaches and some of the best seafood in Spain. Altea, a peaceful, artistic town with iconic whitewashed streets and a beautiful blue-domed church. Torrevieja, a lively coastal city known for its salt lake, lively promenade and prestige beaches. Orihuela Costa, a stunning stretch of coastline with blue flag beaches, ideal for water sport and sunbathing. Costa Blanca isn't just a great place to visit, it's also an incredible place to live. Over the years, this region has become a top choice for international buyers, whether they're looking for a holiday home, a retirement retreat, or an investment property. So why is Costa Blanca so popular for property buyers? Well, there are a few key reasons why so many people are choosing to buy here, and the first one is affordability. Compared to places like Barcelona or Marbella, Costa Blanca offers much more value for money. You can still find beautiful beachfront apartments or private villas at prices that are far lower than other Mediterranean hotspots. Lifestyle and climate. With more than 300 days of sunshine a year, Costa Blanca is a dream for everyone looking to escape cold winters. The relaxed Mediterranean lifestyle, stunning coastline, and welcoming international community makes it even more attractive. Strong investment potential. Property prices has been steadily rising, but Costa Blanca still remains affordable compared to other European coastal destinations. Short-term holiday rentals in areas like Benidorm, Alicante, and Torrevieja can generate great rental income, while more exclusive areas like Javea, Denia, and Altea attract high-end buyers. If you are thinking about buying property in Costa Blanca, here are some of the top areas to consider, depending on what you are looking for. Alicante, a perfect mix of city life and beachside relaxation. It has a vibrant atmosphere, a modern airport, and excellent transport links, making it ideal for both living and renting out. Benidorm. If you're looking for a strong rental return, Benidorm is a top choice. Its skyline, beaches, and nightlife attract tourism year-round, making it great for short-term rentals. Torrevieja and Orihuela Costa, one of the most affordable coastal areas, perfect for retirees, expat, and families looking for a quieter lifestyle. Javea and Denia, more exclusive with luxury villas, beautiful marinas, and slower-paced lifestyle, ideal for those who want privacy and stunning views. Altea, a charming artistic town with whitewashed streets and boutique properties, perfect for those looking for a unique and peaceful home by the sea. The buying process in Spain is straightforward, but there are a few things to keep in mind. You'll need an NIE number to purchase a property. The legal fees and taxes typically add about 10 to 15% on top of the purchase price. If you're buying as an investment, rental yield can vary by area, so it's important to choose the right location for your goals. Every buyer has different needs, and one of the best parts of my job is helping people find the perfect home here in Costa Blanca. If you're considering buying property in Spain, whether it's for living, investing, or just having a holiday home, you can schedule a call with me using the link down below or contact me on WhatsApp. The link is down in the description. Costa Blanca is home to some of Spain's best golf courses. Thanks to the warm weather, you can play all year around. And some of the best courses include Las Colinas Golf and Country Club in Orihuela Costa. This is one of Spain's top-ranked golf courses, set in a stunning valley. Via Martin Golf, also in Orihuela Costa, a challenging course with fantastic scenery. Alicante Golf, a well-known course designed by the legendary Steve Ballesteros. So whether you're an experienced golfer or just starting out, Costa Blanca has a course for you. Costa Blanca isn't just about beaches, it's rich in culture too. If you're visiting during the right season, you can check out these must-see festivals. Las Hogueras de San Juan in Alicante, a wild June festival filled with bonfires, fireworks, and street parties. Moors and Christian festivals, colorful parades reenacting history battles. Each town has its own unique version. Semana Santa, the Holy Week, a deeply traditional religion celebration with stunning processions. Now let's talk about one of the best parts of visiting Costa Blanca, the food. Some of the must-try dishes includes Paella Valenciana, the famous Spanish rice dish with either seafood or meat. Arroz a banda, a delicious rice dish cooked in rich fish broth. Fresh seafood and tapas. From grilled octopus to salted fish, Costa Blanca is a seafood lover's paradise. And don't forget to try the local wines from Alicante region. They're some of Spain's best kept secrets. So there you have it. Costa Blanca truly offers something for everyone. From its breathtaking beaches and world-class golf courses to its rich cultural festival and delicious cuisine. It's a place where you can live the life you've always dreamt of. And with its growing real estate market, now is a great time to consider buying a property here. Whether you're interested in a seaside apartment, a luxury villa in a quiet town, or a property near a golf course, Costa Blanca has a wide range of options. Its affordability, combined with its incredible lifestyle, makes it a great choice for both investors and those looking for a permanent home or a holiday retreat. If you are thinking about making the move, I can help you navigate the Costa Blanca property market and find a place that fits your needs and budget. I've helped many people from around the world find their dream home in this stunning region, and I'd love to help you too. So if you are ready to take the next step, feel free to schedule a call with me or contact me on WhatsApp. The link is in the description below. I look forward to helping you to find your perfect property in Costa Blanca. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to get more videos about property and the Spanish market. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.